Hi all, welcome back to the part 4 discussion of our topic Hospital and its organization. On our previous discussion, we already had discussed about hospital and its organization, the definition, classification of hospital, then organization structure of hospital and medical staff involved in the hospital and their functions. On our last class, we were discussing about the health professionals. Today, we are going to discuss about the remaining category of medical staff classified as per WHO. Moving to the second wide category, health associate professionals. These health associate professionals perform technical and practical tasks to support diagnosis and treatment of illness, disease, injuries and impairments and to support implementation of healthcare, treatment and referral plans usually established by medical, nursing and other health professionals. Appropriate formal qualifications are often an essential requirement for entry to these occupations. In some cases, relevant work experience and prolonged on-the-job training may substitute for the formal education. Actually, these health associate professionals are the associates of the health professionals we have discussed in our earlier section. The health associate professionals according to World Health Organization classification include medical imaging and therapeutic equipment technicians, medical and pathology laboratory technicians, pharmaceutical technicians and assistants, medical and dental prosthetic technicians, nursing associate professionals, midwifery associate professionals, traditional and complementary medicine associate professionals, dental assistant and therapist, medical records and health information technicians, community health workers, dispensing opticians, physiotherapy technicians and assistants, medical assistants, then environmental and occupational health inspectors and associate, ambulance workers, and health associate professionals not classified elsewhere. Looking onto this, you can understand that these associate professionals are the associates or co-workers or the sub-workers of the health professionals we have discussed in our earlier section. The next category is personal care workers in health services. The personal care workers provide direct personal care services in healthcare and residential settings and assist with healthcare procedures, also perform a variety of other tasks of a simple and routine nature for the provision of health services. These occupations typically require relatively advanced literacy and numeracy skills, a high level of manual dexterity, and good interpersonal communication skills. This category includes healthcare assistants, home-based personal care workers, and personal care workers in health services not elsewhere classified. These healthcare assistants are nursing aid, patient care assistants, birth assistants, psychiatric aides, all that. And the home-based personal care workers include the nursing aid of home, then home care aides, home birth assistants, and personal care providers. And the last category, personal care workers in health services not elsewhere classified includes dental aid, first aid attendant, hospital orderly, medical imaging assistants, pharmacy aides, phlebotomist, and sterilization aid. The next category of medical staff are health management and support personnel. These personnel include a wide range of other types of health system personnel such as health service managers, health economists, health policy lawyers, biomedical engineers, medical physicists, clinical psychologists, social workers, medical secretaries, ambulance drivers, building maintenance staff, and other general management, professional, technique, administrative, and support staff. This category of management and support personnel include health service managers, managers and administrators not classified elsewhere, licensed professionals, social work and counseling professionals, professionals not classified elsewhere, licensed technicians, medical secretaries, technicians and associate professionals not classified elsewhere, then clerical support workers, then service and sales workers, trades workers, plants and machine operators and assemblies and elementary occupations. The last category of health professional classification of WHO is health service providers not elsewhere classified. They are the members of the armed force and other health service providers not elsewhere classified. So armed force occupations or the members of the armed force engaged in action with primary intent to enhance health, including for instance commissioned medical and nursing officers and combat medical technicians. For example, Navy Corps nurse, combat medical technicians, veteran hospital nursing aid, etc. Then the next category, the other health service providers not elsewhere classified. So this group covers the other categories not classifiable as participating in the formal or informal health labor market but providing health services including, for instance, medical interns and trainees who are providing clinical service as part of their basic medical education. So this last category of health service providers not elsewhere classified include medical student intern and hospital volunteers. Apart from the World Health Organization classification of health professionals and medical staff involved in hospital, India has a separate category of 19 health professionals or health workers in India, which is classified according to the basis of National Classification of Occupation 2014, and this category has given a NCO code with 4 digits. So let's look on to the medical staffs or medical staff classification in India. So the health worker categories in India include allopathic doctors, Ayurvedic doctors, homeopathic doctors, Unani doctors, dental practitioners, nurses and midwives, pharmacists, ancillary health professionals, traditional practitioners and faith healers, all health workers, then all doctors and nurses, and also nurses and midwives, then all doctors, allopathic plus Ayush doctors, then Ayurvedic, homeopathic and Unani Ayush doctors. So with this discussion, our first subunit hospital and its organization is over. So far we discussed about the definition of the hospital, the organizational structure of the hospital, the classification of hospital as primary, secondary, tertiary care hospitals, and also we have classified hospital based on clinical and non-clinical basis, and the last topic was medical staff involved in hospitals and also their functions. The medical staff involved in hospital and their functions has only described based on the World Health Organization classification of health workers. I'll be attaching the link to the World Health Organization classification of health workers. You can refer that in need. The BPharm students may sound it's a broad classification of medical staff, but always remember it is good to know more and more information, and for your exam purpose for this content medical staff involved in hospital and their functions, you can cut short the topic into the health professionals classification by World Health Organization. So that's for today. Okay, thank you and take care.